Alright, my peeps there. Barbecue pork with ready and answer. And one see French fry one there outside. Barbecue pork foot there. Taste beside barbecue piece and now. Recipe for today, some French fry pork foot. So please watch the video till the end, like and share and subscribe. Remember, French fry pork foot is a recipe I go nice. So please watch the video till the end, like, share and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome back. Recipe for today, some French fry cow foot with rice and peas. So I'm going to show you all of my ingredients when I use in my recipe, right? So please listen carefully, look carefully. First on the list, we have some Jerusalem peas. You see, you can find peas right there. Some garlic, ginger, and pimento seed. We have the cow foot here. Remember, French fry cow foot now. Alright, so run some running water on it. And so you have a mumpy plant right here. You have the egg to go in at the flour to spice up the French fry cow foot. You have the coconut, dry bone. See, season them as usual, Maggi. You have some pimento, garlic, onion, Irish, bell pepper, hot pepper. See the Irish here, see the carrot here. Here so we have some juice now. We have some cucumber, carrot, pine, lime, and ginger. The recipe I got nice, eatable, tasteable, so please like and share. Remember, Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Recipe French fry, cow foot. Like and share. Start with the washing the cow foot, right? Add some vinegar to the water, you can see. Wash them clean and pretty like these. To wash them too, alright? You can see, 2 times wash it. Then the cow foot they wash clean and pretty. Remember, French fry cow foot now, right? Starting by having some garlic, you can see, pepper and ginger, some Maggi all purpose, and some Maggi chicken. Starting by mustard the cow card. Get the season of the cow foot, make it stay for 11 hours. Alright? Remember, French fry cow foot. Watch the video step by step. Watch the video till the end. When I finish, like and share and subscribe. That one stay for 11 hours. Cover it down, 11 hours. Wash the cucumber like this. And we have some juice. Go and cut up the juice. Alright. Cut the pineapple like this. You can see carrot here. Scrape them up like these, right? something they wash and cut up clean and pretty there. You can see ginger, the pine, cucumber, and see carrot right here, right? See blend over here. So I'm going to put in the blender like these. Yeah, see, chang juice, for your eyesight, you know? Yeah, man, don't blame out and anything. Outside, people, remember, I think I cook it. We're going to put that first, right? Alright, piece now add the water to it, right? So it's like one pressure for about 10 minutes. We'll check it kind of French fry coffee, but we don't want to mash out now. So then we'll check it, right? So I'm going to lock it up like this. That one pressure for 10 minutes. Alright, people, check the coffee and see. I'm on floor, go and see it now. Cool it down high water, you know? Taste it and see what I go on inside. Still tough. See what I go on? Alright, let's see that. Right, people see coffee pressure now. Soft and thing, you see. So I put it in like this. It go on cool, right? Then buy French fry coffee now. Right, people see, yeah, man, and go on cool now, you know. The water I'm stirring off there, so and go on cool. Remember, French fry cold food now. On the floor, right? Remember, French fry cold food now, see cold right there? Yeah, no, I see floor, yeah. So, I have some Maggi all-purpose leaf, right? And I have some Maggi seasoning, also the coffee. Remember, French fry, cold food. See the flour right here. Turn it up for it like this. Recipe I got nice, man. Eatable, you know. Remember, no French fry, cold food. Alright, people see what I want to know. Cold food here, flour fried. Yeah, all remember French fry, cold food in a piece. Lumberjack creative, you know. French fry, whole foot. Thing with normal. The thing with normal. Right there. French fry, whole foot. Sì, siamo normal. You must see it there, French fried cow foot. See French fried cow foot ready there. Yeah, man, French fried cow foot, you know, outside. Alright, we'll put some barbecue sauce here, you know. So I grab some barbecue cow foot, same way as the usual. And I say, yeah, man. Remember to like and share. Yeah, my people, it's like secret sauce, no? Yeah, man. Secret barbecue hot and spicy sauce, sir. So I'm going to add the French fried cow foot right there. So I'm going to add some of the sauce like these. So we have that there, and these. So we have some barbecue. Barbie fry, you know what you want to call it. Alright, my peeps today, yeah man, barbecue cow foot ready now. Alright, see French fry one there. Alright, my peeps there, barbecue cow foot ready now, I say. Yeah man, see French fry one there, outside. Alright, my people can see barbecue cow foot, that's a French fry cow foot, plantain, Jerusalem peas, rice and peas there, yeah. We have some carrot, pine, and cucumber, lime, and ginger. Please like and share. Dinner time. Yeah man, see there, outside, no? Yeah. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Like and share. Alright, my people, see the recipe there. Yeah man, French fry and barbecue cow foot, no? Taste beside barbecue piece and now. French fry.